The most common phrasal verbs, Part 5. Advanced level. Bear down on. Bear down on. Definition: to put pressure on someone. To apply strong pressure or force someone to do something. Example sentences. The manager is bearing down on the team to meet the deadline. The teacher bore down on the students to complete their assignments on time. Synonym: pressure, blow up, blow up. Definition: to become very angry, to become extremely angry or upset. Example sentences. He blew up at me for no reason. He blew up at his coworker for interrupting him during the presentation. Synonym: become enraged. Catch up on. Catch up on. Definition: to deal with things you haven't done yet. To do things you haven't had time to do previously. Example sentences. I need to catch up on my emails after being away on vacation. Synonym: deal with backlog. Calm down with. Calm down with. Definition: to become sick, to contract an illness. Example sentences. I came down with a cold last week. She came down with that case of flu and had to stay home from work. Synonym: fall sick. Face up to. Face up to. Definition: to confront a problem, to deal with a difficult situation honestly. Example sentences. It's time to face up to your mistakes and take responsibility for your actions. Synonym: confront. Feed off. Feed off. Definition: to gain energy or ideas from something, to derive inspiration or motivation from something. Example sentences. The artist feeds off the energy of the crowd during live performances. Synonym: draw inspiration from. Fan off. Fan off. Definition: to defend against something, to resist or ward off an attack or threat. Example sentences. The firefighters are fending off the flames to prevent the fire from spreading. Synonym: resist. Freak out. Freak out. Definition: to become very upset or stressed. To react with extreme anxiety or panic. Example sentences. Don't freak out. We'll figure out a solution together. Don't freak out if you forget your lines during the play. Just take a deep breath and continue. Synonym. Panic. Get across. Get across. Definition. To communicate effectively. To successfully convey an idea or message. Example sentences. I hope I got my point across clearly in the presentation. Synonym. Communicate effectively. Get away with. Get away with. Definition. To avoid punishment for something wrong. To escape negative consequences for wrongdoing. Example sentences. He can't get away with lying to his boss forever. The truth will eventually come out. Synonym. Escape punishment. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.